Do you crave sugar? Are you reliant on caffeine for energy or are always tired? You have trouble focusing and concentrating? We've heard this a million times. Let me help you. Listen up. There is tons of research actually showing that blood sugar spikes and crashes are significantly impacting all areas of brain function. In fact, they're now calling Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes because of the role of blood sugar spikes and crashes on neurodegeneration. Research shows that nutrition and blood sugar spikes and crashes actually play a role in all areas of brain function. So it's been shown to affect things like anxiety and depression and sleep issues and focus and concentration and cravings for sugars and sweets and starches. All of this from the impact of blood sugar spikes and crashes on the brain. This doesn't necessarily impact everyone to the same degree. So for you, I suggest doing an experiment. Have one day of eating a plate full of pancakes with maple syrup and 16 ounces of orange juice and see how you have throughout the day. Do you have more cravings? Do you have difficulty focusing and concentrating? Are you more tired? And then have a breakfast of maybe Ezekiel bread with some avocado on it and some eggs, which have a lot more protein. See if that helps. And if you have more energy, if you are able to focus and concentrate better, if you have less cravings, if that's the case, then blood sugar spikes and crashes might be impacting your brain. So if that is the case, you should really follow me through this series where I go through tips for blood sugar spikes and crashes and how to keep your blood sugar more stable. And I am not putting people on low carb diets and telling them to go keto and just cut sugar and cut carbs completely by any means. This is not that type of series. We're gonna go through a whole bunch of scientific research actually showing that there's other things you can do around your carbohydrate intake to actually help prevent those blood sugar spikes and crashes. So stay with me, you're gonna wanna hear these.